am very excited to announce Stack Moxie's UAT Testing Checklist for Salesloft. Stack Moxie is a Salesloft integration partner and has worked with Sean Kester, Jimmy Conley, David Voigt, as well as a number of amazing Salesloft customers through Women in Revenue. The Salesloft UAT Testing Checklist will tell you critical information in seconds about an instance. The test tells you if leads are routing, lead mapping, and activity syncing have been set up correctly. It's free to you and your customers. All you have to do is log into Stack Moxie, click on the Salesloft lead checklist, and hit create and run with default values. Because this test runs in real time, I'm actually going to show you an example test run. Here's an example of our Salesloft lead checklist. As you can see, the report includes 7 critical checkpoints, including Salesloft to Salesforce sync, Salesloft to Salesforce lead mapping, read-write permissions, activity logging, owner sync, and record creation permissions. How the test works is we create a lead in Salesforce, and then we check, did that lead get created in Salesloft? We then update the Salesforce record, and then check, did those updates sync to Salesloft as expected? We then update the Salesloft person, and then we check, did those updates sync to Salesforce as expected? And finally, we're checking, did the activity we created sync to Salesloft as a task as expected? Once the test passes, the data is deleted out of your systems. We also have this test available for the Salesloft account and contact checklist. Much like the lead checklist, we're checking 10 critical components of your integration, including Salesloft to Salesforce account sync, Salesloft to Salesforce contact sync, Salesforce to Salesloft account sync, and vice versa. We're also checking the field mapping, account field mapping, read-write permissions, activity logging, owner sync, and record creation permission. In this example, we're creating a Salesforce account and a Salesforce contact, and then we're checking if that record got created in Salesloft as expected. We're then updating the Salesforce contact record and the account record, and then we're checking, did those updates sync to Salesloft as expected in the timeframe outlined? We're then updating the Salesloft person, and then we're updating the Salesloft account, and we're checking, did those updates get into Salesforce and sync as expected? Once the test is completed, all of the data is then deleted out of both of your systems. If you have additional feedback on this feature to make it more helpful for yourself or for customers, we'd love to hear what big things you can dream up. So please let us know your feedback if you have any.